Let's take a look at this IKEA stuffed animal. They had quite a lot of interesting animals. That's the name of the product. Made in Vietnam. It's 100% polyester and the filling is polyester fiber. Those are the care instructions. This actually looks like a unicorn tail. That's how the wings look. And a colorful tail. Very simple unicorn. It would be interesting to see how this walks though. I guess it doesn't need to walk because of the wings. Very cute looking. The one thing it has going for it is that it's quite aerodynamic, so it can fly really well. Costs around 99 rupees or $2 or so. Seems quite pricey for what you're getting. Quite nice. Check it out.